In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Instagram Reels using CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need is CapCut downloaded and installed on our mobile device. From that, open it up. And now I found the best way to edit Instagram Reels is to go to templates. So go to templates on the bottom of the page. And now from here, we want to use the filter option. So where it says Pro, click on the filter and then filter by number of clips, like so. And now depending how you want to edit your Instagram reel, if you want to make it shorter, so say if you got a 60-second Instagram reel, you want to create a 15 to 30-second one, go ahead and click on 15 to 30 seconds to make it shorter. Or if you want to do 0 to 15 seconds, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my Instagram reel that I've got 0 to 15 seconds, and now I'm going to click apply. Also, we got features here. We got Smart Template, Commercial Use, and Pro. If you want to use the Pro templates, go ahead and click on Pro, and I will leave a link in the description below where you can try CapCut Pro free trial for 7 days. So click apply, and now we can have a look at all these different templates we can use to help us edit our Instagram reel. So have a scroll down, have a look at the ones that you think are going to work for your video. So if I want to do a slow-mo, and you can see how many times this type of template has been used. This template's been used 80 times. We've got the top here. Generally, you're going to find the most used templates. This has been used 82,000 times, 224,000 times. So if I want to use this one here, I'll click it to have a look at it. So if I want to use this template, I'm just going to pause this video so I don't get copyrighted. I'm going to click on that template, and I'm going to click on use template, and you can see how long this template goes for as well, is 13 seconds. So I'm going to click on use template. Now I'm going to choose a video that I want to edit. So my Instagram reel I want to edit. So for example, it is this one here. Sorry, it's the other one here. So I'll get rid of that one. It's that one here. Now I'm going to click next. And now you can see that's been added to this template, and slow motion has been, so also you can change the track or the song to it. So if you want to change the song, go ahead and click on audio below. You can look at the recommended songs here by scrolling down, or you can extract the audio from your device, or you can add a sound. So if you want to add a sound, click on add a sound and search for your song or artist to add to that template. Once you found a song, so for example, I want to scroll down, I might use this Trap Mafia one. Now I'm going to click add. Now that's going to add to my video here. And now once you've finished editing your template, go ahead and click on export, and then upload that back to Instagram, or do whatever you want to do with that uploaded or exported reel from CapCut.